Hey, ladies and gentlemen, the drama continued. So I had to get my welder out. I keep it in that side box right there, ladies and gentlemen. So this is my activity. So I was up underneath checking some wires on my ABS. I was fixing the light because I noticed it didn't come on. And then let's take you underneath while I'm filthy. Sorry about the traffic. So let me show you. There you go. So I saw that right there. Two of the wires had split, so they weren't getting any, hold on, let me, that help? So, two of the wires were corroded, you know, salt gets up in them, eats them up, I touched them, they fell apart. And, so I was checking the ABS to see if it was getting any power. It wasn't, and it led me to that. Well, while I was up there, ladies and gentlemen, I noticed a few things. One, the welds are cracking right over there, and two, this shock absorber. You see that lousy weld? Yeah. Well, I forgot to bring in my grinder, so I can't grind that crap off. But it was just dangling, you know, dangling. And so I got my welder out, and my helmet ain't working. And what do you mean by that? You know, the flash protection. And it was just like looking straight at the weld. Well, I put a weld on the very top and on the bottom to hold it till I can get by Harbor Freight and get a new helmet. And I'll get a grinding disc and grind some of that down and weld it. So that being said, I don't know if I'm getting power to ABS yet or not, but that kind of distracted me when I saw broken welds. You know, I need to do some welding up under here. Yeah, and I'm gonna have to get that ABS working. So let me get out of here. So, but I did get it welded on there enough for it to stay. Ladies and gentlemen, stay for a minute. At least it ain't a dangling part and get you in trouble for that. So I'm sure they ain't gonna like broken welds either, but I'm not gonna continue to weld with this shield that doesn't want to work right. What's going on with that shield? Batteries are gone out of it. I don't know, but oh man, that's the last thing I need to do is damage my eyes. So I just put a couple of tack welds on there for now. I'm seeing yellow spots and I feel strain on the back of my eyes, and so I don't need that. I'll never make it home if I destroy my eyes. So yeah, so I took care of that best I could for now, and got that shock welded back on, kinda. You've seen it. And fix those wires on the ABS, put a new light in the ABS socket, wired a new wire into it. I don't know if it's working yet or not because I haven't checked it out, but being so much truck, I guess I just ain't had a chance to look over the trailer, and now that I'm sitting on the side of the road, I've been looking for a load since Tuesday. This is Sunday. So what I've done, ladies and gentlemen, is I brought myself down here to Macon, Missouri, and that puts me in between St. Louis, Kansas City, Des Moines, Iowa, Springfield, Illinois, Omaha. So it gives me more to deal with, more to choose from for Monday. Now Monday is the worst day to look for a load, so, but it gives me a better chance than being way up there in South Dakota, where loads are $1.76, $1.66, $1.59, and people cutting your throat to get them. So I just decided I would deadhead on down here, and you're like, well, financially that doesn't work out all right. Well, I'll tell you what I won't do is I won't cut somebody's throat for a load for $1.56 a mile. Not gonna do it. I wouldn't do it for $4 a mile. Get it honestly, or don't get it all. So anyway, so I'm down here, hopefully find better rates, and I'm gonna have to stay away from the west, I guess, because there's nothing coming back worth hauling, and if there is, people are cutting your throat to get them. You know, best I seen was $2.59 going to North Carolina from Minneapolis area. So that's the best I've seen. So that's where I'm at. Got a little time on my hands, fixing the little things. I wish that welder helmet would work a little bit better. I mean, protect my eyes, or I would go ahead and, well, I don't have a grinder, so I got to grind all that old weld off and put vice grips on there and weld that right. In fact, there's a bunch of welds down there I need to do. So I need to do some weldings underneath there. But right now, that's good enough for now to hold it on, so it ain't just, I noticed it was rubbing against the airbag too. I don't know when that broke off, but we can't have it broke off like that. So I'm gonna clean up. For now, I'm done for now. I'm kind of exhausted. I've been out here since early this morning. It's starting to get hot. So, ladies and gentlemen, you guys, enjoy your Sunday, and have a wonderful day wherever you are. God bless, and later.